Hi, I'm Pete, and this is a travel puzzle vlog. That's right, I'm on the road. I'm visiting my hometown of Ottawa briefly, and one of the perks of being in the big city is that I get to go to the toy store. In this case, there's puzzle content because I got what I think is a very interesting puzzle. So, I saw this online not long before I came down here, and I definitely, it was one of my things to get. It's really, really cool, I think. Anyway, so, oh, by the way, this is from Toys R Us, so it's a toy store here in Canada, and yeah, so here's what I got. This is, I'll show it off as best I can. This is the Rubik's Perplexus hybrid. That's right. Rubik's has teamed up with the Perplexus people in Canada here. I think that's Spin Master. And they made this rather peculiar combination Rubik's Cube and Perplexus, which is a rolling ball puzzle if you're... yeah. And of course, I've had lots and lots of Perplexus content on my channel, and I'm sure you know that I'm really kind of keen on those puzzles. So here's the back of the box. This is going to be a little different from usual because I've just with my setup, it's not quite as easy to see things. But anyway, so it says on the front here 100 obstacles. Let's see what else. 8+. So if you're 7. They don't want you to have this. I don't really know why, but that's what they said. Sorry. It says original Rubik's product and a little label down here. What else? Spin Master. Well, Spin Master is who's responsible for all the Perplexus puzzles, at least here in Canada. Okay, so what's it say? It has a picture of it. It has some direction arrows. What's really kind of cool is there's a little hologram, and it's actually hard to see even when you're looking right at it, but there's a little hologram right here, which sort of seems to be like an authenticity seal. Anyway, if you tilt it, it shows a Rubik's Cube, and then, oh, it has a serial number. It might have some other things on it. Anyway, if you get a chance to get to see one of these packages, you can check out the hologram. Does that mean that counterfeits are a big deal? Maybe. So what's it say? And of course it has it's selling on the back. It's selling itself, and it's got it in both official languages in Canada here. So twist and turn, align the tracks, maneuver ball, complete the maze. So there you go. This and indeed it says Rubik's Perplexus hybrid unites 2 mind-challenging puzzles in one, and then it says the same thing in French. I would say. So there we go. Oh yeah, last thing. Okay, the ball is kind of moving around here. So right on the bottom of the box, it has the directions. It's intriguing. All right, well, let's see. And it's not a lot of directions because it has it in English and French. So what's it saying? It says instructions: roll a steel ball to the start space and twist and turn the Perplexus like a Rubik's Cube to align the tracks and maneuver the ball through the inner maze. Roll past increasing numbers along the track on your way to the finish line. Oh, but that was a whole sentence. That's pretty much what Perplexus is, isn't it? Make it to the end without falling off the track, and you've solved the ultimate puzzle. Okay, well, that's it. They really sold it. So let's get this out of the box and see what it's like. Now this box is. Oh, I see. Okay, I thought that might be tape. I think there's a little bit of tape here, but there's actually it looks like there's a clamshell packaging on the box, which means that a big part of this is just a cardboard stand. Oh yeah, it's pretty much what it is. Okay, so really all I need to do is just kind of tear it off of the sheet. Now, box and package collectors, you might want to look away here because I'm going to do a lot of damage. There we go. Oops. Okay. Just remember, I've made your box more valuable, okay? So don't feel sorry for the box. There we go. There's the puzzle. That's what it was it was sort of entombed in that. And then this is the rest of the package. I'm just making sure there's nothing else in here. There probably isn't, but no. Okay, well, there we go. So that's it. Okay. And no, I'm not keeping that box because I don't need it. Wow, look at that. So what I first see here, I see a red section of the maze. I see a yellow section, orange. There's another yellow section, but this yellow section is all curvy, and this section is quite angular, so it wouldn't be difficult to tell it apart. And then I flip it over. We have white, green, another white, and blue. And again, the two whites, one is curvy and one is, well, yeah, they're distinct. They're quite distinct. Okay, so that's how it is. And now I guess I should try turning it, because it should turn like a Rubik's Cube. And indeed it does. Okay, well that's great. A little stiff, but yeah, okay, a lot stiff. I want to put it back. I want to keep it in the original configuration, because from the looks of things here, what I see, at least on this, is this part of the track is continuous. So looks like, to me it looks like it's solved, but then over here it's not. So I'm not really sure if you're supposed to. I guess I should look at the box that I threw away. Okay, so I think you're supposed to solve it first. So maybe that's a bit of a mistake. So this white piece has a 6 up here, but then it has to be okay. So that's 8. Oh, that's a 9. Okay, so 9. So what I'm looking for over here is a 10, I guess. Okay, wow, this is going to be kind of challenging, really. Yeah, you know what? This seems quite intriguing. You can see that it's a 2x2. It has a ball core. The plastic is, I don't know, it feels a little different from the usual Perplexus puzzles, but then. Okay, that's 7. That's 6. Okay, that's good. So it looks like these two pieces are solved. Yeah. Okay, well this is, Yeah, I don't think this is a trivial solve at all. Okay, there's one over there. Oh, there's the start. Okay, so I found the start. I don't even know if I can. No, the ball is okay. So the ball is trapped in one of the sections. Now, in case you're wondering how the ball can actually move from section to section, because there are big holes on the inner faces. So, for example, now I've got the ball. I can actually move it to the start just by shaking it, I think. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so yeah, so now I've got the ball and the starts right here. So that's actually pretty good. And yeah, I think that this is actually pretty cool. Yeah, it's perhaps a little harder than I expected. I thought it would be pretty easy to solve it. I think it probably will be if I get a light behind me rather than in front of me. But it's kind of interesting. Turning, not great, but then again, this isn't really. I mean, you're not going to spend most of your time turning it, right? You'll solve a 2x2, right? Scramble it up, solve a 2x2, and then most of your time will be spent trying to maneuver through the maze. One of the things is, I think it's maybe a little less annoying than some of the round Perplexus, because the ball doesn't rattle quite so much. It goes into a corner and just stays. I think it's really kind of cool. All right, well that's it for my travel puzzle vlog. Let me know in the comments what you think of the Rubik's Perplexus Hybrid. Is this something you think you'd like to get, or you're going to give this one a pass? I'm also curious to know how many of my viewers actually like the Perplexus puzzle. So I'll leave a comment if you like Perplexus, or if you don't. Let me know what you think. And of course, as always, any other comments, questions, or suggestions. All right, well that's it for me. Until next time, thanks for watching.